Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. On April 10th,
I had the honor of appearing as an IKEA expert on a Japanese daytime TV show. For this special TV appearance, I wore an ultra-premium, not-for-sale blowhage mask. I participated in a shoot at the IKEA Shibuya store, and it was a blast. Being able to have such a unique experience is all thanks to you, my viewers.
Thank you so much. The show itself aired for about 1 hour, which even surprised me. It just shows how popular IKEA really is, and that made me really happy.
Today's video is about the limited edition collection I recently bought and would like to share with you. I've set it up in my room to see how it affects the atmosphere. I'll also be introducing some other new products and some of my favorite items that I use a lot lately. Some items from the limited collection are already running low in stock, but there are upcoming restock dates listed on the IKEA online product pages, so keep an eye out.
First up is TESAMMANS collection.
It launched in Japan on April 3rd, a Wednesday, and I bought it online right on the first day. I had my sights set on a few items. 2 days later, on a Friday after work, I went to the IKEA Kohoku store to see the products in person. I wanted to check out the carts myself, but unfortunately they were all gone. Not sure if they were displayed elsewhere, but sadly, I could only see a few items. Here's a photo from a friend who visited the Kobe store. Amazing. Adorable. This display really lifts your spirits. Thanks for the photo. Next is the Knitted Velcourt collection, which launched in Japan on April 5th, a Friday. I couldn't see the green chair I was interested in, but I did see the rattan chair. It's rattan, but with a lovely modern design. A shorter version of the Poeng chair has been released early in Japan and is displayed here. I've introduced the white vase in a previous video, so please check it out if you're interested. It's quite heavy but adorable, and the narrow mouth makes it easy to use. Now, let me introduce some new products I've purchased. First is a set of mugs. Priced for 2, they are very affordable. The design is interesting, with alternating green shades. They're quite large, so they're great for making soup. This is instant egg soup, and it could also be nice for serving salads. These are dishwasher safe. Recently, I've been introducing a lot of new products and realized I haven't shared much about the items I use every day. So, I thought I'd show you my mini dustpan and brush set. It's lightweight and handy for quickly cleaning up. I often have flowers on my table, and you know how they can drop leaves. This is perfect for cleaning those up. IKEA's product page photos are quite unique, which I find interesting, like how they show common uses for products.
For this broom, look at this. It's used to pick up Legos,
which is unexpected. Next, I'll be introducing the TESAMMANS series and doing some redecorating. I'm thinking of adding some color to this room, which is mostly beige or white toned. It'll be interesting to see how it turns out. And I'll be unboxing the items I bought online. I thought I had ordered a clock, but it turns out I didn't. Such a bummer since I really wanted that clock. Ordering in a rush can lead to mistakes. Next, I'll introduce some other items. Here's a lampshade I managed to buy. First, here's a set of candle holders. The combination of these slightly muted colors is really cute. They can also be used for storing stationery and can be stacked. When you light a candle, the light escaping through the holes creates a beautiful, magical effect. Next, here are 2 sets of glass glasses in pale pink and brown. The colors are incredibly lovely, and the glass has a beautiful quality. They are dishwasher safe and have a modern shape with a rounded bottom, which is nice. This wooden tray is also an IKEA product that I've been loving and using a lot. Next, I'll introduce a blanket that's very colorful. I was worried if it would match my home, and I still am. When you spread it out, you can see it has various patterns, which makes it interesting because you can change what shows depending on how you fold it. It's double-sided too. You can display the orange side or the blue side to change the vibe. I should have ironed it before showing it to you. Here's what it looks like with the green side up. You can enjoy various atmospheres. The texture is a lightweight, high-quality knit, and it's 100% cotton. It feels great on the skin.
And here's the lampshade.
This lamp and wagon were quite noticeable, I think. On the day of release, I checked the stock online early in the morning.
The Kohoku store, which is my nearby store, listed only 3 lampshades available. What does 3 even mean? And now I look online, it says only 1 is left.
But looking at other stores, they have restock dates listed, so there's still a chance to buy. This lamp base is from the TESAMMANS series and it comes in purple. But they originally had it in white, gold, and silver. I chose white. I thought I might get scolded for changing the combination. But since they sell them separately, I figured it was okay. Isn't it cute? Turning on the light, it looks really adorable. But the video flickers a bit, so I'll just show it briefly. Here's what it looks like at night. Isn't the way it lights up beautiful?
Here are the results of the room makeover. It was quite plain before, but I've added a bit of color.
I now want some matching cushion covers.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you soon in the next video.
I'd be thrilled if you leave a comment.
Which country are you watching from? Please let me know.